Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's create new solid layer. Add name particle and click OK. Go to FS presets, search effect CC particle world. Let's use for solid layer. And let's preview animation. Okay, we have simple particle animations, and for now let's go to particle. Let's open here and change particle type. We can use presets here, for example bubble, let's see, or we can use motion sequence, let's see. Okay, and for now I want to use quad polygon. Okay, and let's max opacity change 100, and colors, let's use this green, and that color use yellow. Let's see. Okay, so let's go to physics and animation style. Again, we can use all presets here, and today I will use cone axis. Let's see. Okay, and change velocity like this. Let's use here 5 or 6, and change gravity a little bit like this. Let's write here 1, and let's change velocity 4.5. So let's open producer here, and we can change X position, Y position, X, or radius X, Y, Z. Let's change Y position like this. Okay, and the radius change for add div, and let's change Z like this, and move it down a little bit. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. And in this time I want to add burst keyframe. Let's in this time create burst rate keyframe and go to here, change burst rate 0. Let's see. Okay, let's select particle, press U, and select keyframes, move to left, and select 2 keyframes, move to left for more fast animation. Nice. Let's move to left a little bit. Okay, pretty good. And select this particle, let's change X to back for see full screen, and move to down. So right now let's select this particle and Ctrl D for duplicate, change name particle lines, and let's go to particle and change particle type motion sequence. Let's see. Okay, and let's change this color yellow, or let's use colors like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And select particle lines and go to producer and change a little bit like this for random animation. Nice, very good. And in this time let's select this particle layer, Ctrl D, and change particle elements, and let's go to open particle. And as you can see here we have burst size and depth size. We can change here, for example let's go to solo and change this like this for, let's for example 0.1, and depth size 0.1 or 0.05. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. And go to producer and change this for randomly. Let's see. Okay, that's good. And let's unsolo. Okay, very good. I like it. And let's change color for particle elements. Change red, and this pink. Nice. And finally select these particle lines and go to physics. Let's change velocity 5. Okay, and change X radius like this. Okay, pretty good. And let's go to particle and we can change this motion polygon. Okay, and size variation, change a little bit. Let's go to solo and change size for random sizes. And in this time go to FX Preset, search effect glow, select glow, use for particle. And let's go to solo, change glow radius. And let's copy this glow effect with Ctrl C. Unsolo particle, select particle elements, Ctrl V for paths and particle lines, Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, have a good days.